Hello everyone and welcome to the BVISP weekly challenges. It's a new challenge that we're going to put out each week with a different theme for you guys to play some games at home. The first week is innovation, and innovation is all about using things that you have at home to create your own games and your own activities and your own fun. The first game that we're going to play is an indoor bowling game that we're going to use some paper cups and socks. That's all you need. So, first one, paper cups, pair of socks. Ah, well done. Your score is 7. Yeah, well done. You scored 4. You got 4 down. Good job. Okay, so you've seen how to play the first game. You don't have to use paper cups. You could use the inside of a toilet roll. You could use a Pringle tube or anything. You could even make your own pins to be able to use. It could be socks that you throw. You could make a tinfoil ball that we're going to use later on, or something else that's soft and safe to be able to roll or throw in your house. Okay, over to you. If you're feeling really creative, then it would be great if you could come up with your own versions of a game like this and send them in to us in the PE department. Thanks. Good luck.